So what exactly have the priorities been for changing the way Bihar looks, for improving governance? What exactly have you done here over the last few years?
The first thing is that we established rule of law, number one. Naturally, after improving law and order, the second most important thing was infrastructure. And we are doing a lot of work in infrastructure, particularly in road and bridges. And we have given equal emphasis on human development. And all three things put together, it has paved a way for growth of Bihar. And we are going to improving upon on each count, and particularly in next few years, with having, consolidating everything which we have done, we have to go to second stage so far as primary education is concerned, healthcare, all those things, agriculture, everywhere, roads. Additionally, we have to, do a lot in energy sector. And we are emphasizing that sector. And unless we have proper, availability of electricity, I think industrialization cannot take place, the basic thing.
How much of a worry is it that for every achievement you have in reducing poverty, there are more and more poor people simply because the population keeps growing?
Decadal growth rate of population has been highest in Bihar. It is between 2001 and 2011, as for our, provisional census figures, it is just above 25%. So we have to stabilize it, but we have other advantages also. We have young population, and we have to make use of that also. With making use of that population, imparting education, skill and everything, to make them more employable, they can, get more income. At the same time, ultimately we have to stabilize the population. And for that, I am giving lot of emphasis on girl education. Our fertility rate is highest. But if the girl is educated up to class 10, in that case the rate of fertility is equal to national average. So we have decided to open thousands of, 4,000 plus secondary schools in our state. And number of other measures are also required. And women education is a must for stabilizing population. That is going to help in a big way. And we have a number of programs for not only women education, their empowerment, and that is also one of the most important achievement in Bihar. We have provided them 50% seats in elected Panchayati Raj institutions and urban local bodies. Simultaneously, we are giving 50% reservation to them in jobs of teachers. So lot of emphasis is there for women empowerment. And with women empowerment, women education, we would be able to resolve number of issues.
When you were trying to restore health to Bihar and its economy,
I don't think that anything is decided as yet. I don't think that anything is decided. So far as we are part of the coalition, from our larger coalition partner, nothing has been said to us. So I think that that issue is still undecided. And when the situation arises, when BJP comes to any conclusion, naturally I think that they will take us into confidence, and at that stage the situation will come where we will have to take a decision.